This is item number 10398 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have a Reiser Rotoclaw 2. It's a frozen meat flaker. It's full stainless steel construction with a built-in loader. The loader requires roughly 80 psi of compressed air. This machine handles frozen blocks up to 9.5 inches to 21 inches. Has a capacity up to 10,000 pounds per hour. It's powered by this 7.5 horsepower motor, or running off of 220 volts, 3-phase. So you have a forward and reverse feature here. Reverse in case anything gets locked up. You can just bump it. Then you have your normal forward for normal operation. Again, this is item number 10398 with M&M Equipment Corp. This machine has recently been refurbished and ready to ship.